this integral, we have x raised to 9 over here. Therefore, I will substitute u equals to x raised to 10. Therefore, du equals to 10 x raised to 9 dx, and du upon 10 equals to x raised to 9 into dx. So, whole this is my du upon 10. What about limits? When x tends to 2, and then u tends to 2 raised to 10. When x tends to infinity, u tends to also infinity. Okay, doesn't affect anything. So, is equals to 10 raised to 20 integral 2 raised to 10 infinity. This becomes du upon is u square minus 48 u plus 575. We have 10. Okay, see here upon 10. This is 10 raised to 19. Now consider this. Now let's consider what is u square minus 48 u plus 575. This same as, let's make perfect square. Making perfect square, this same as u square minus twice u, I need twice ab multiplied by 24 plus I need twice a square plus twice ab plus b square I need. But 24 whole square is 576. So we have 575. So 1 is extra. So I am subtracting this. Therefore, this same as u minus 24 the whole square minus 1. So instead of this, I can write this equals to 10 raised to 19, then 2 raised to 10 to infinity du upon u minus 24 the whole square minus 1. Now let's substitute some variable t equals to this. T equals to u minus 24, then dt equals to du. What about limit? When u tends to 2 raised to 10, what is 2 raised to 10? 2 raised to 10 is 1024, then t tends to 1000. T is equals to 10 raised to 19 integral, or you can say 10 raised to cube to infinity, and du is same as dt upon, we have t square minus 1. 1 is same as 1 square. Formula integral of 1 upon x square minus a square dx is same as 1 by twice a log of, if it is minus, then minus will become x minus a upon x plus a plus some constant c. Okay, let's apply this formula over here. So e is equals to 10 raised to 19 into 1 by twice a, 1 by 2 into 1 is same as 1 log of x minus a, here x means here t. Okay, t minus 1 upon t plus 1, and limit is from 10 raised to cube to infinity. Here this is same as 10 raised to 19 upon 2. Now upper limit. Okay, now we have infinity over here. Limit of say here t tends to infinity, this can be written as t minus 1 upon t plus 1. Let's see what is value. Is same as, if I divide numerator and denominator by t, same as 1 minus 1 by t, 1 plus 1 by t. Here limit of t tends to infinity. When t tends to infinity, now this same as 1 by 1 is 1. Okay, t equals to infinity, all this become 1. Okay, log 1 is 0. Therefore upper limit is 0. Okay, 0 minus log of, here t is 10 raised to cube, 10 raised to cube minus 1 upon 10 raised to cube plus 1. Okay, now here this minus, let's multiply this minus I can interchange, 10 raised to 19 upon 2 into log of this minus I am removing, 10 raised to cube plus 1 upon 10 raised to cube minus 1. Okay, you can keep like this. Okay, this is the required answer. Or if you want, you can expand this. Okay, or they have given answer is like this. Okay, here 0 is 6 times, 3 also 6 times, here 5 into 3 times 3. Okay, you can keep like this.